Cosplay. What's up, guys? It's Violentnacho. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a body painter on Twitch TV, and tonight I'm gonna paint myself as a World of Warcraft Zandalari troll. So before I start painting, I wanted to talk about what I'm gonna use. If you go back to the video I put out a couple days ago, insert link somewhere, I showed you what I used to paint with, but today I'm gonna do a shaved head look, so we need a couple extra things. I'm gonna use a bald cap, which I made myself. There's tons of YouTube videos out there on how to do it, so I'm not gonna explain, but it's pretty much latex exclusively. I got some little troll ears and a wig. So I've used this wig a lot, and I decided it's time to part with it. So I cut it in half, I folded some edges over, and I'm gonna try to apply this to my head so I have like a half kind of mohawk thing going on. So that's the plan, and we'll see what happens. All right, so this is what I'm starting off with. As you can see, this isn't perfect since I made the wig cap myself, pretty much the wig myself, but it'll do, and everything's gonna be painted gray and blue, so it's gonna turn out pretty cool. So I hope you guys stick around and you enjoy the time lapse, and comment below and tell me what you want me to paint next. All right, have a good day, and on with the show.